Hello student, let's try to understand activity 2.6 student. The question aim is what taken by activity is to obtain crystal of copper sulfate by crystallization. We need to have the crystals, solid crystal of copper sulfate by the process of crystallization student. Now, what is the procedure you are going to follow? Take some approximately 10 gram impure sample of copper sulfate in china dish. Dissolve it in minimum amount of water. Filter the impurities out. Evaporate water from the copper sulfate solution. So here we are evaporating this one student. As to get the saturated solution, cover the solution with the filter paper and leave it undisturbed at room temperature to cool slowly for a day. You will obtain the crystal of copper sulfate in china dish. This process is called crystallization. Student, what we are going to do student, first of all we are taking the things here, copper sulfate solution student, and we are doing the heating in the vapor student. So what will happen student, here if you are heating the copper sulfate, crystals are getting formed student. Now this china dish student we will keep for one day and let it cool at the room temperature. So blue color copper sulfate you will obtain student, crystals, solid. Observation and explanation. So here crystallization is the property. Crystallization is a property of some salt in an oversaturated solution of the salt. Molecules of salt join to form small clusters. These small clusters have a fixed molecular arrangement. We can name them as crystals. When we heat a solution of copper sulfate, it produces a saturated solution of the salt. If this solution allowed to cool, oversaturated solution in formation of copper sulfate, in formation of what student, that is formation of copper sulfate crystals. Molecules of the crystal do not contain any impurities. As a result, we get pure copper sulfate. What is the inference? Crystallization can be done by using oversaturated solution from the crystal. So firstly you are having crystal student, so you make the solution student, solution. Firstly you boil student, boil, then you what you did student, then you cool. So you are cooling the pure crystal, you are obtaining pure crystals. So this is what the process of crystallization student. Thank you so much for watching.